up? It's Carmen J. You already know the spill. If you haven't supported me yet, it's not too late. Hit the subscribe button. Join Carmen J TV. And yes, we can be best friends. Just support me. I'm doing a wig review. It includes the opening of the package, how I styled it, sort of, and bleaching of the knots. So this is how it turned out. I really like it. I'm not going to keep you long. We're just going to cut straight to it. I hope that you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hello, so this is the box that it came in. I got it from Amazon, and with Amazon Prime, it came in about 2 days, so that was clutch. There are also some other goodies in the box. It has this information card with details about the unit on the back, a wig cap, and the hair came in this Ziploc baggie, which I've never seen before, but I love the way that it was packaged. So that's the lace. That is the inside, has about 3 combs and 1 comb in the back, and it was really soft. And this is the hairline. Overall, my first impression, I really liked it. So because I saw knots on the unit, I decided to go ahead and bleach the knots. So I show some things that you need, which is gloves and a mask, because the scent is super strong and you don't want the bleach on your skin. And then these are just simple items that you're going to use to mix the bleach. Now I mix a little bit of the liquid part of the bleach onto it, and you don't want it to be super soupy or thick. You want it to have like an icing type of texture. And now I'm just applying the bleach onto the lace, which is the very tricky part because you don't want it to seep through the lace, but you also want it to actually bleach the knots. So that's the balance that I'm trying to find now, which I kind of messed up on, and you'll see why in a minute. But here you're just trying to apply it evenly all around, and do not press too hard. Just lightly put it on there. If you press too hard, then you'll actually start to bleach the hair, which is something you don't want to do. Lastly, you're going to put some aluminum foil on it, and that's just to speed up the process of lightening the hair. And you're going to do that and let it sit for about 10 minutes, but check it every 5 minutes to see what it's doing. So I did not check it every 5 minutes. I just set the timer for 10 minutes, which was a huge no-no. I had the bleach sitting on the knots too long. So this is me just trying to discover how much damage I had actually done, which is a lot. So as you can see, all that red part is the hair, which is a big no-no. So this was after the rinse. It had kind of dulled the brassiness, but as you can see, it's still very red. Okay, so y'all saw me royally mess up my knot with the bleach. So not only did I accidentally bleach my roots, but the knots still did not get bleached. And I've done the whole bleaching my knots before with actually the unit that you always see me with. I'll probably insert a picture here. I've bleached those knots and it turned out fine. And I guess I thought I was some type of expert and I could just bloop 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 and be done with it. But sis, nope. But you know, we about to make it work. But it's so cute. I mean, I know I got this little lace thing going on, so just disregard that. You see this? Look at that. So cute. Natural hairline. I won't have to do much plucking. I probably still will pluck, but I won't have to do much because also I'm also not a good plucker. So there's that. Be real with you. This is the softest hair I have. If you have a big head, this unit ain't for you, sis, because this is holding me really snug and none of the straps in the back are in. And this is really snug. And maybe I have a big head and I just need to come to that realization. But you can make it work just like I made it work. I mean, it's on here. My head hurts a little bit, but it's on here.
I did not come to play with you hoes. I came to slay, bitch. I like cornbread and collard greens, bitch. Oh yes, you best to believe it.
Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock that I says. Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock that I says. I might get your song played on the radio station. I swear. I might get your song played on the radio station. I swear. I might get your song played on the radio station. I swear. I might get your song played on the radio station. I swear. Y'all haters corny with their Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama.